If you've ever had a TikTok video start to take off and you wished you could push it to actually make sales, this is for you. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery, and today I'm walking you through how to create TikTok Spark ads that actually convert step by step. And we're covering everything: how to link your TikTok to Ads Manager, how to turn your own videos or influencer content into Spark ads, and how to structure your campaigns so your clicks actually become customers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from an organic TikTok to a paid campaign that makes real money, what a Spark ad actually is, and why it converts. A Spark ad is basically a boosted TikTok post. It's not a new ad you upload. It's a real video already posted on TikTok running directly from your own profile or a creator's profile. And that's what makes it powerful. All the likes, the comments, and shares stay visible, and any new engagement adds to that same post. So when people scroll past it, it feels authentic and not like an ad. Who uses Spark ads and why they work? Brands use them to scale content that already performs well, especially organic posts or influencer videos. Creators and UGC freelancers use them to license their own content and charge brands to use it. Agencies use Spark ads to amplify viral posts and turn those top organic videos into paid winners without refilming anything. Spark ads convert better because they blend in. They don't interrupt people. They belong on the For You page. That trust factor is what drives clicks and sales. How to price and protect yourself, creators, and brands. If you're a creator, Spark ads are an easy way to monetize your content. You're not just making videos, you're licensing them. Here is a quick pricing breakdown. $150 to $600 for 30 days of Spark usage for smaller brands, $750 to $2,000 for broader usage or multiple placements, add $100 to $500 if they're running the ad from your handle. Add 25 to 50% for extensions or platform cross usage. If you're a brand, expect to pay both a content fee and a usage fee. You want to make sure it's written down, especially these four things. Number one, usage window, 30, 60, or 365 days. Number two, handle access, yours or theirs. Number three, platform rights, TikTok only or all platforms. Number four, termination clause. What happens if terms are broken? Creators, don't give out your ad code until payment clears. And brands, always verify the code before you launch it. That's how you keep things clean and professional. How brands choose what to spark. Start with videos that already work organically. Look for a strong hook in the first second, product visible by second two, comments saying, "Where can I buy this?" or "Link please." That's your sign it's ready to boost. How to actually monetize Spark ads. Here's where it gets good. Spark ads don't convert just because they look organic. They convert because everything after the click is set up right. To make real money from Spark ads, first thing you want to do is match your objective to your page. If you're selling, pick sales or traffic, send them to a clean product page with a price, photo, and add to cart above the fold. Second is to pixel everything. Set up the TikTok pixel on your site. Make sure view content, add to cart, and purchase events are firing. Add UTM tracking so you know where conversions come from. Third, use a CTA that feels native, such as shop the look, take the quiz, or grab yours while it's in stock. Number four, create offer clarity. Highlight those free shipping or bundle savings early. Repeat the same language from your ad on the product page. If your ad and landing page feel like one continuous conversation, that's when people buy. So let's set this up. Once you click the link down below, it'll bring you to this page. They are currently running an amazing offer right now. You can supercharge your ads and claim up to $6,000 in ad credit now. So they have a 5-tier spend X get Y coupon. So you want to maximize your ad budget. If you spend $200, you get $200 back in ad credit. Spend $500 to get $500, $1,500 to get $1,000, etc. So before we can launch anything, we need your TikTok profile to be linked to the account. So I am in Business Center, but at the top left, we are going to click user and then select user settings. And under personal information, we can see you can select to link your TikTok account, essentially something. Mine is already linked, but it will look like this if they want to connect to your account. You just have to do a verification code to your phone number, then select continue. Now from the dashboard and the fun part, we are going to create your campaign. So start with create ads, select this, click confirm, and now we are going to choose our objective. So choose your objective. We have traffic, which is to send people to your site. We got video views to get more exposure, community interactions to grow your following. Sales and leads is to drive purchases or signups. So I am going to go to traffic, click continue, and then we can name it something like Spark Ad, and then the product name that you're going to sell, and then traffic. And under optimization goal, select landing page view. This ensures TikTok focuses on real users who actually load your site. So click continue. Now we're inside of TikTok's ad manager. So this is where you actually create your Spark ad under ad content. So up here, you'll see my TikTok account connected like we did earlier in settings. So in this case, it is my username. That means this ad will run directly from my real TikTok handle and not a business page. And that's the big difference. Spark ads use real TikTok posts that already exist, which helps them feel authentic and blend naturally into your For You page. Next thing you'll see is the destination URL. So this is where people go when they click your ad. If you're selling something, this should be your product page. If you're collecting emails or giving out a freebie, use your landing page link. Just make sure that it starts with this URL link and loads fast on mobile. So for this one, I am going to use yourbrand.com/free sample. Awesome. Now here is where the Spark magic happens. Instead of uploading a new video, you'll connect one that already lives on TikTok. So we are going to select authorized post, and this window appears asking for a post code. This code links your TikTok video to your ad campaign. If you're working with a creator, they'll send you this code. If it's your own video, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to generate it. So let's jump over to TikTok so I can show you how to generate your own Spark ad code directly from the app. All right, so now that we are on my TikTok homepage, let's say that my product, the one that we talked about earlier, like the Your brand, is for saving dogs, or you sell dog products. So essentially you want it to relate to the video that you are advertising. So I am going to click this video. On the bottom right hand corner, there is an ellipses. You are going to slide all the way right, go to ad settings. Then we are going to make sure that this is turned on. You can choose however long the video code will last. And here you could click generate code, click save. Awesome. So now when you click manage, you can copy the code, and that is it. Now you have the code for this video that you were trying to advertise. So I'm going to go ahead and paste the code that we just copied from the phone, and voila, it is right here. We can essentially click confirm, but this is perfect if you're running your own content, or if you're an influencer giving a brand permission to run your post as an ad. That is exactly how you're going to get the code. So click confirm, and here's what it looks like once it loads. All right, then on the bottom we see creative, so you can now add the video that we just linked. So it is going to be this one. Select confirm, and here's what it looks like once it loads. This is my real TikTok video, same caption, same engagement, same handle. You'll notice that it even says sponsored, very tiny underneath, but everything else stays identical. And that's what makes Spark ads so powerful. They look and feel like normal TikToks, but they're running as paid ads in the background. All your likes, comments, and shares keep stacking on the original post while your campaign runs. And you'll see a little message that says TikTok post cannot be edited. So that confirms you're using a real TikTok post, not an uploaded file. So that's also the main difference between an ad versus a Spark ad. A Spark ad is, again, an ad that already exists. Now, when you scroll down to the call to action section, this is what shows up as your clickable button. If you're selling like a dog product or any product, you're going to use shop now. If it's a free guide or service, you could choose learn more. If you're growing your brand, go with follow now. Always match your CTA to the link you used above. Now we are going to select continue. Next, you'll land on targeting and budget. If this is your first Spark ad, start with automatic targeting. TikTok's algorithm will learn who's most likely to engage with your content. You can switch to custom later once you've collected data. For budget, I recommend starting around $20 to $30 per day so you can actually create your own custom budget, 20, or you can use TikTok's recommended daily budget, which is higher, like 74 or 108 for faster learning. Then set your schedule. I recommend running the campaign for at least 7 days so TikTok's system has enough time to optimize before you make any changes. Once everything looks good, you want to click publish and your Spark ad is officially live after you put in your billing information. So your ad will start showing up on people's For You pages, and every like, comment, and share from this ad will keep adding to your original TikTok post. And that's how you grow your reach, your engagement, and sales all at the same time. Also, quick tip, if you are working with a content creator, you'll have them do the exact same step that we did to generate your own code, and you'll have them send the code straight to you. Why Spark ads convert and how to make yours work. Here's the truth. Most Spark ads flop because people treat them like regular ads. Spark ads convert when you respect the platform. People scroll TikTok to be entertained, not sold to. So your ad has to blend in and make sense when it appears between videos. Here's how. First thing you want to do is pick a post that already has proof. It should have strong watch time, high saves, and positive comments. Number 2, lead with story, not sales. Start with a strong hook or emotion, then slide into the product naturally. So for example, for the dog video that I had on my TikTok, I put a strong hook. It is not a Spark ad, but if I wanted to make it a Spark ad, if I did have a URL or a product, I would put that towards the end of the video to make it look more natural. Number 3, match your landing page to your video tone. If your ad feels casual but your site looks corporate, people will leave. Number 4, test 3 to 5 Spark creatives at $20 a day. You want to turn off the low performers, scale the best one 20 to 30% daily, and duplicate campaigns instead of editing them to keep learning data clean. Number 5, track every click. Install the TikTok Pixel, use UTM tags, measure cost per click, cost per add to cart, and landing page view rate. That's how you find what's working and what's not. How to monetize and protect yourself. If you're a creator, Spark ads are one of the most underused income streams right now. You can get paid multiple times for the same video, content fee, usage rights, and renewals. If you're a brand, use Spark ads to test different styles, talking head, voiceover, POV, testimonial, then scale the best one. Keep codes active for a year so you can reuse winning ads during promotions or holidays. The more you test and refresh, the cheaper your conversions get. That's how you create TikTok Spark ads that actually convert, not just look good. You learned what Spark ads are and who uses them. You created your TikTok ads account and linked your profile. You built your first campaign step by step. You learned how to safely use influencer content, and you know exactly how to structure Spark ads that drive real sales. And that's it. You just learned how to create TikTok Spark ads that actually convert. If you haven't signed up yet, use the link in the description to get TikTok's latest ad credit deals and start testing your first campaign. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials that actually make sense. I'm Erin from Ecom Mastery, and I'll see you in the next one.